Number 4. The Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 9. I've been putting these to the test, and I'm here to spill the details. Let's dive in. First things first, breathability. The lightweight mesh upper with a sleek 3-color digital print ensures your feet stay cool and comfortable, even during intense runs. It's like giving your feet their own personal air conditioner, and who wouldn't want that, right? Stability is key when you're clocking those miles. The durable leather overlays do the trick, providing not only a solid structure but also locking in your midfoot for that added security. It's the kind of support that makes each stride confident and controlled. Slipping into these kicks feels like stepping onto a cloud. The EVA Sockliner offers a soft, step-in comfort that's a game-changer. It's that perfect blend of cushioning and responsiveness, making each step feel like a breeze. No more sacrificing comfort for performance, these shoes deliver both. Let's talk tech, the charged cushioning midsole. It's not just foam, it's compression-molded foam that brings ultimate responsiveness and durability to the table. Each step feels like a burst of energy, making these shoes a reliable companion for both short sprints and long-distance runs. Durability without the added weight, that's what the solid rubber outsole offers. Strategically covering high-impact zones, it ensures these shoes can handle the toughest terrains without weighing you down. It's the kind of design that speaks to longevity and performance. So, there you have it, my take on the Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 9. If you're on the hunt for a running shoe that combines breathability, stability, comfort, and top-notch tech, these might just be your perfect match.